Hello and welcome to another video of Automatic Stable Diffusion with Automatic1111 web interface. Automatic1111 gives an ecosystem of extensions. In this video, I will walk you through the extensions overview, settings, and installation steps. So let's begin. Automatic1111 comes with the vast options and tools for image processing where user can generate detailed, photorealistic images conditioned on text descriptions, along with other features such as inpainting, outpainting, and generating image-to-image translations guided by a text prompt. However, there may be scenarios where users need to extend the functionality of these tools to meet specific needs or integrate with other tools. In those cases, extensions can help users customize the functionality of Automatic1111 and Stable Diffusion to suit their unique requirements. Extensions are an additional feature of the Automatic1111 Stable Diffusion web UI that provides a more convenient way to use user scripts. In this video, we will discuss how to extend Automatic1111 and Stable Diffusion functionality using extensions. To run the Automatic1111 Stable Diffusion web UI with any extension, you need to set up a Stable Diffusion environment. Techlattice.net provides the Stable Diffusion with Automatic1111 web interface as a virtual machine solutions on leading cloud platforms. You can provision the SD solution on Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure. We already discussed the Getting Started guides for provisioning and using the solution on these cloud platforms. All links are in the descriptions. Getting back to extensions, here I am having my SD virtual machine up and running with web interface. Let's go to the Extension tab. After clicking on the Extension tab, you can see these three sub-tabs: Installed, Available, and Installed from the URL. The Installed sub-tab displays all the extensions already installed. You can see this LoRa, LDSR, SkuNet, etc. are already present here and they are built-in extensions. But Image Browser, Dreambooth and ControlNet extensions are showing the installation URLs and version. Because they are not built in but are pre-installed in Tech's latest Stable Diffusion VM solution. The Available section shows all the extensions currently available in the Automatic1111 web UI. If you wish to install additional extensions, you can easily do so by using the URL. And the third sub-tab shows Install from URL option. If you want to install any extension from the URL, go to the Install from URL tab, then paste the extension URL in the URL for the extension's Git repository text box. And then click on Install. Now we are familiar with this extension settings. We will see how to install extensions from both the official extension repository and from third-party extension repositories. To install from official extension repository, we need to go to the Install from URL sub-tab. You can find all the official extension repository URLs on Google also. I will install this dynamic prompt extension. It implements an expressive template language for random or combinatorial prompt generation along with features to support deep wildcard directory structures. Put the URL here. Click on Install. Wait for it to get installed successfully. Check that dynamic prompt is there in the list of installed extensions by going to Installed sub-tab. And click on Apply and Restart UI. This way, you can download any extension from the official extension URL. Next, we have installing from third-party extension repo. For that, you need to go Available sub-tab. Extension index URL is already present here. Just click on Load From button to fetch the list. You can apply these filters also. Search for the extension you want. Read the description. Once ready, click on Install. I will install this extension here. After installing the extension, you can find the extension in the installed extension. Click on the Apply and Restart UI button to apply the changes. Installing extension is as simple as that. Extensions can play a vital role in customizing the functionality of Automatic1111 and Stable Diffusion. By extending the capabilities of these tools, users can meet their specific needs and integrate them with other tools seamlessly. In this video, we have provided insights into how to extend the functionality of Automatic1111 and Stable Diffusion using extensions. TechLatest.net provides the Stable Diffusion with Automatic1111 web interface offer in the form of a virtual machine solution on leading cloud platforms including Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. To ensure you have the best learning experience and can follow the course content seamlessly, we highly recommend provisioning the pre-configured Stable Diffusion virtual machine solution available on these cloud marketplaces. Here's how to get started. Go to www.techlatest.net/sd. Click the provided cloud provider marketplace link. Follow the on-screen instructions to launch the VM. To make the provisioning of VM easy for you, we have step-by-step guides, which shows all the steps in details. All the links are in the description. Thank you for watching.